the sun is risen. We are headed for Nyarutembe Community Secondary School. We had our break at Casa Godida Lodge, and we can't wait to excite you about what is happening at the school with the children exploring digital tools. Thank you. Keep watching. Yeah, finally we are here at the Nyarutembe Community Secondary School, a school where we have come after driving close to 600 kilometers from Kampala to Nyarutembe, which is just at the border of DRC. When you see across there where you're seeing iron sheets and the hills, that is the Democratic Republic of Congo. This is a community school that was started by parents and the community members to help the girls because they used to walk a long distance to the next school, secondary school, which is about 15 kilometers away from here. And there were a lot of risks involved. Many of them got pregnant on the way, others were seriously sexually harassed, and parents decided to start school to ensure that the girls have a school closer. And we're here to engage them in a session on digital literacy, which is a collaboration that I have established as the African traveling teacher between Western Academy of Beijing in China and this school for cross-cultural collaboration as we enhance global citizenship. And the kids in China, they have used their skills in art to raise resources to buy tablets that we are going to use in this collaboration as they exchange knowledge from on their cultural background and the art pieces they make. Thank you so much. We are waiting for them to come out.
So thank you so much, our visitors, for coming. I will first give the platform to you. The tell us why you have come here, and we are ready to listen from you. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Head Teacher. Very good morning once again. How are you?
Yeah, all right.
Are you happy to be back in school? So, last time we talked about, I remember we talked about global citizenship. Do you remember? Then we talked about an exchange that is going to happen between you and another school in China called Western Academy of Beijing. You take a bus, you go to Kampala, you go to Entebbe, you take a plane, maybe pass somewhere in another continent before you go to China, right? So it would take you like 3 days on a plane. If you were to walk there, it would take years. Okay? So you are going to be working, you are going to be collaborating with students who are here in China. Beijing is somewhere here. So you're going to be connecting with students who are here. This is a laptop. Okay? You open the computer. It has a switch on button, which is here. You place the button, long place. And once you long place, it opens. You see the word Dell coming? It is now open. You long place the start button. You place it until it shows you some light. You feel it vibrating, and then it will show you some sound. Long place. There's what? Some sound coming out?
Yes.
Then now you are switching it on. Swipe to open. Are you seeing the word swipe to open?
Yes.
What does that mean? How do you swipe?
You touch that word, then you swipe to open. Then you move upwards on the screen, then you release. Okay?
Have you done?
Yes.
What are you seeing? Very good. You're seeing icons. Those ones you know. Down, there is an icon written on Kolibri. Are you seeing Kolibri?
Yes.
Can you tap Kolibri? You click on library. Can you click on library? I think that like it. Make sure everyone is seeing it. Are you seeing the word library?
Yes.
Click on library. What do you see?
Your library.
Your library. What do you have in your library?
My name is Ambassador Maria Teresa. I'm so excited that I have seen a laptop, a tablet, and I have learned how to operate it, which I didn't know. It will be helping me to be connected with other students from other areas to know what they are doing, and they also know what I'm doing, and the practices that are carried out in our culture, as well as I know their practices. It is very important because it can help me to go on internet and look for answers. I do the work which my teachers have given me, and know other things which I didn't know from it.
We always used to learn in theory, but when we get these tablets, our studies can be improved
My name is Innocent Dushimimana, and I'm the caretaker of this school.
Some time back, I came here and shared with students, and they told me that they do ICT, but they had never seen an ICT equipment. In your experience today, what has the activity been to you?
These learners have been only facing theory, but today I'm blessed that you have come with a laptop, tablets, and even some other gadgets. I'm really so much excited.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much once again for watching. I think in Uganda we still have that spirit that can support. If you want to reach out to this school, whether you have 1,000 or 5,000, or you have a used tablet or a used computer, you can reach out to me. I can deliver it to school, or you can reach out to me and ask me contacts of the head teacher if you need to deliver any support, and I will be at your service. Thank you so much. Keep following and watching the African Sound.